right, special thanks to our folks over at LitBear who send us their new blue diaper bag for unboxing. Well, unbagging. This is how it arrived outside of the Amazon box. So let's open it up. Got their little LitBear, makes your life beautiful and happy, as well as an email address, Twitter information, care instructions, all of that. And then a nice little LitBear logo here that looks almost like it's in leather. And then let's look at this. Let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, whoa, this is way different than what I was picturing. Okay, so it's a, hold on, we gotta go widescreen. All right, so this is the front of it. And got a Velcro pouch here that opens up into a ton of different little storage compartments down in here. Oop. I mean, there's like, those look like they keep stuff cold or cool. Got another thing there and there. Lots of storage just in the front alone. Then we've got a little zipper here. Not a huge pocket, but you know, can fit your money or small things in there. These zippers feel amazing. Like that is some good quality zippers. Now on the side, looks like we got some side pockets here. One here, one over here. And then if we go to the back, we've actually got even more. So you've got this nice little handle here where you could like clip it onto something. Love that, love it. Even have a few hooks here. And then there's even a zipper back here. Like this is on the back. This is the part that would be against your back. You'd have to take it off to get to this, but that's a good thing because it holds whatever the heck it holds up in here. Like that's, I've never seen anybody utilize this space. Even has some straps, look at that. This looks like it's for your keys, so you can put your keys on here so they don't get lost. Can't beat that. This thing is something else. And then again, look at this. Even another little hidden zipper right here. Look at, put more stuff down in there. They utilized every bit of this thing. And again, I can't get over these gold zippers. These things are so smooth and nice. Oh my God, this is great. Like, and then let's see, what is this? This goes into something, oh my God. Literally a little zipper here on the side, and you know, it's not much, but you could slide something down in there. I mean, they've utilized every area. And so now, let's look at the main part. First off, got the same great zipper, and look at this, even these nice leather-like straps. Open this. Okay, so it seems the back area is connected to the front, so I didn't realize that, but there is this included, and this even looks like comes with that also. This is like a little fanny pack, and those are in there. But that's the actual inside of this thing, which is tons. And look at that, little pockets on the inside. Oh man, they did not cut a single corner with this thing. Some pockets down here, just tons and tons of storage. I am truly blown away at the amount of storage that they were able to fit in this thing. And I truly wonder why other companies don't do the same thing. Like, why are other companies making a regular book bag that just has the inside of this when this company's utilized every section? That's absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at this. This even has that same really nice zipper. I'm not entirely certain what it's for. Looks like, you know, maybe get a cold baby bottle, put it in there, zip it up, and it's gonna stay cold a little bit due to the inside of it. Man, and I can't get over this. And also these pads, everything's of course adjustable size-wise, but these are very soft, like just really nice. And even that handle, just, man, got hooks here also. That must be what these are for. Oh, it's endless. It is endless. So I'm, I gotta say, LitBear 2, I wish I had 4 hands, because this is honestly one of the best diaper bags that I think I've ever seen. I mean, I've used diaper bags before, but they never had this many compartments. Wow. All right. Well, that'll do it for this LitBear diaper bag. Hopefully you guys have liked the unboxing video, so you was able to see kind of what this bag can offer you. Definitely tons of space. 2 massive thumbs up for me. Again, thanks to LitBear. So we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.